Hi grade 4s and welcome back to our tutorial series here on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to use Seesaw a little bit better and to use all of the tools that are available to you on there. We're going to go from our classroom website. So we're going to go to week 1 because that's the week that we're on. And this is where you will be accessing your activities. So on Monday, yesterday, you should have done the Show Me Your Classroom activity on Seesaw. So what you do is you just click on the yellow link and it will open the Seesaw app. It'll open just like this, and I want you to enter the text code that was given to you in the email I sent to both you and your parent. I'm just going to use the code for the guest account. There, we're gonna click go, and it'll open up your activities for the week. So you can see this is, we're gonna pretend this is you, and you'll have your journal, the activities that are assigned to you, and then any messages that you have from myself. So this is a message I sent you earlier and another message. Your journal, this is where you'll have all the stuff you posted earlier in the year. The guest journal doesn't have anything just because it was just set up. But that original screen took me right to my activities. These are all of the things that are for this week. I don't want you to do all of them in one day though. I want you to just go to the one that was you had meant to click on. So we were wanting to do the Show Us Your New Classroom activity. It has the instructions here and a little image. So we're going to click Add Response. It says, show us your classroom, make a line horizontal, diagonally, or vertically by choosing different items or spaces and post photos or videos of them as a response to this assignment. So as you can see, you can actually record right on top of here. You can record text. For this assignment, we wouldn't need text, but you could write, this is my bedroom. Okay, and you can resize it, change the style, change your font size, all sorts of things, and place it however and wherever you want it to go, okay? It's important that you resize things so they fit properly on the page. So that's one tool, is adding text on top of an image. You can also click this button. This will voice record. It doesn't let me do that on my computer. You need to do it in the app. So if I was using my iPad, it would allow me to do that. You can also add photos, and you can either take a photo or upload a photo. So it's gonna come to me, hi guys. So I could take a photo and then post it in the space. A lot of you have already done this, but for those of you who haven't, now you know how. And you can do that over and over again. So you could add another photo, and this time upload a photo, and it would go to your files and you can upload one from there. These 3 dots mean that there are some other options. So you can add shapes. Not really necessary for this activity, but say we were doing a math activity where you needed to show things with blocks, you could upload some flats or some 10 rods or some ones and show me what you know using those. If you decide you don't want something, you can just click delete and it will get rid of them. Okay. These tools at the bottom are all different types of writing tools. So if you were doing a reading response activity, or I was asking you to highlight important parts in a text, you could just select those and you can highlight different things, undo, undo, undo if you don't want it anymore. And those are just a couple of ways that you can post on top of a photo. This caption piece is also really important. Sometimes I'll ask you to add a caption. This is my new classroom. I hope you like it. Sometimes those captions will be more specific, and sometimes they won't be. The voice caption just allows you to do the same thing but through talking, okay? When you're finished, you need to click the check mark and it will upload it to that assignment, okay? It's important then when you do an activity that you actually click Add Response. And then it will, for me, it shows up in a file under all of those things, okay? Another activity I could show you is this array activity. So for this one, I actually asked you to take a photo of something. So I don't know, let's make this the photo. Okay, and then I asked you to draw over top of it. 1, 2, 3. We're going to pretend this is an array. We know that this isn't an array. 2, 3. And then I asked you to do a voice recording over top of it. Again, how you do that is you click this microphone and it will actually allow you to talk over top of your drawing as you draw. So I could say, okay, I'm now drawing an array of 4 times 4. I know that this is 4 times 4 because there are 4 columns and 4 rows, and they create 16. 4 groups of 4 is 16. And then again, click post, just like before. And now again, it showed up in the array we go, okay? I really want you to use this activities tab because this is where it shows you what you need to do that week, and I need you to click add response every time, okay? If you have any questions about this, please send me an email and I will hopefully be able to answer any questions for you. There are, of course, other ways we can do this. You can edit note, you can record over top, and I hope that that clears up any questions that you had. If you ever want to message me on Seesaw, you just go, oh, maybe you can't message me on Seesaw. I guess you can't message me on Seesaw, but you have my email, so that'll make that a little bit easier. If you have any questions, just let me know, and I will talk to you guys soon.